Where's my baby mammoth? I lost my baby mammoth. Oh. Here it is. Oh, I got scared. So, welcome to another mammoth game. We have a lot of these. Here, we're going to work on pairs. Mommy mammoth. I don't remember. Mommy mammoth. And baby mammoth. Okay, so baby mammoth has to find mommy mammoth. So, we've played the game Are You My Mommy? Remember? Are you my mommy?
Are you my mommy?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Oh, no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Same thing on the mommy's side. Are you my baby?
Are you my baby?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
So, we're gonna have, well, 4. Works better with a bigger group, but 2 and 2. Okay. So let's mix. Can I have a card, please?
Can I have a card, please?
Mm-hmm.
Can I
have a card, please?
Thank you.
Can I have a card, please?
Yes. And I have a card too. So, if you're a baby mammoth, you ask, are you my mommy? Okay. If you're a mommy, are you my baby? And we mingle, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mingle. Stop! Find a partner. Oh!
Are you my mommy?
Are you my baby?
Huh.
Yes, I
Yes, I am. We found each other. Well, statistically speaking, that was not difficult. But if they don't find each other, they go around again and ask, are you my mommy?
Are you my mommy?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Oh. Are you my mommy?
Are you
Yes,
my?
I am.
Are you
No.
my mommy? Are you?
Blue
No, I'm not.
and pink. You need to match the color. What?
She's my mommy.
I know. She's my mommy.
Okay.
Bye everyone. Enjoy this mammoth game. Bye.